and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and... Hi everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into Real Divine. And if you are new here, welcome. And if you are a subscriber that has come back, let's just give a hug. Thank you. Oh. Let's get into why you clicked on this video, which are the 6 best oils for faster hair growth. And I've got my handy dandy notes because I don't want to forget a thing. Number 1, emu oil. I am not going to just tell you to put emu oil in your hair and not know the benefits. So let me put on my little glasses. Emu oil nourishes the scalp, reduces inflammation on the scalp, and the best part, why you clicked on this video, promotes faster hair growth. Number 2, castor oil. Castor oil increases blood circulation when massaged into the scalp, which promotes fast hair growth. 3, don't you just love eating them though? Avocado oil. Like, I love avocados. Like I remember when I was younger, I used to look at avocados and be like, ew, it's green, like, ew. And I tried guacamole, I was like, ew, but now I love it. This was a little off topic. Avocado oil is great because it penetrates and strengthens the hair shaft, moisturizes your hair, and promotes faster hair growth. Number 4, jojoba oil. I'm sorry guys, is it only me? Because every time I look at jojoba oil, like the word, I think to say jojoba oil. Like, sometimes I'm always like, why put those letters there if we're not gonna pronounce them? It's made for people to mispronounce a word. Again, that was off topic, but the benefits of jojoba oil is that it prevents hair loss. Prevents hair loss, strengthens your hair, promotes thicker hair, and I'm pretty sure you can say it yourself, but I'll say it for you. I was about to say promotes faster hair growth. What the heck? Promotes faster hair growth. 4, almond oil. Almond oil nourishes and strengthens your hair, treats hair loss and damaged hair. As girls transitioning, this is great for us because I know that my hair is damaged. And you know the last one. I mean, I messed up on number 3, but hopefully number 4 will be better because I won't try to say prevents and instead saying prevents. Like, what am I thinking? It promotes faster hair growth. All right, so the very last oil is number 6, coconut oil. Coconut oil fights dandruff, prevents hair breakage and split ends, adds shine and softens the hair. And as we all know, we're gonna make this one great. This is the finale. Promotes faster hair growth. All right, you guys, so now I'm gonna show you my bottle. All of those oils that we were just talking about, all of them are in this beautiful round bottle. And I simply just don't want to mess up my clothes, but of course I would just take this and put it on my fingers and massage it into my scalp. Don't forget, massaging your scalp also promotes faster hair growth. People, don't forget. That's it. This video is over, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know why. You guys go out there and go get your oils and promote that fast hair growth. Do everything that you can, honey. By the end of this year, you will see a change. Make sure you're trimming your hair, but you will still see a drastic change, and you will see how much thicker your hair is. You will thank me. You will also thank me if you check out my fast hair growth playlist, because I have other things on fast hair growth. You watch all of that and you follow after them. You will not be sorry. You won't. You'll probably be like, oh my gosh, why? Thank you so much. I'm like, of course, I'm here for you. Giving you everything I know. We're friends here. I want you to have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people.